Our all-rounder for the professional coffee business combines an impressive range of features with reliability and a space-saving design. Discover the WMF 1500 S Plus. Designed for a peak output of up to 180 cups per hour, it is perfect for use in cafes, bakeries, restaurants and petrol stations with light to medium usage requirements. Simply a true all-rounder. Irrespective of where it is used, the WMF 1500 S Plus is incredibly easy to operate. Both settings and beverage selections can be made conveniently via the 10-inch color touch display. Whether you are a restaurateur, employee or self-service user, the customizable operating concepts ensure intuitive use at all times. The WMF 1500 S Plus thus adapts flexibly to the requirements of its users, not the other way around. The display shows images or video clips during beverage dispensing or in standby mode to promote additional sales and provide users with information. The internal features of the WMF 1500 S Plus also impress across the board. A series of fully automated functions ensure consistently high quality, whether at peak times early in the morning or for a relaxed coffee in the afternoon. The intelligent dynamic coffee assist constantly monitors the ground coffee quantity, grinding degree and brewing time and ensures the highest quality of all espresso-based coffee specialities. The optional dynamic milk system creates perfect milk foam. With a choice between creamy, fluffy or compact foam, any customer request can be met in next to no time. The automatic height-adjustable spout of the dynamic milk system ensures that the beverage reaches the cup without splashing and at an ideal temperature, thus creating attractive coffee specialities. The patented steam jet warms every cup with steam in the shortest possible time. This means that beverages remain hot for longer. With up to 3 removable and dishwasher-safe product hoppers for different coffee types, chalk and topping powder, the WMF 1500 S Plus offers a huge amount of flexibility for your product range.
Delicious coffee at one touch. From fresh ground beans. Perfectly suited for the early birds. And the ones who are always running late. For I can't believe it's Monday. And thank goodness it's Friday. For the creatures of habit and the ones who'll try anything once. For the times you're taking a moment for yourself and the times you're hashtagging the world. For a moment of quickly multitasking and a moment of slowing down. To make every day especially easy and a special day even more. The Philips 5000 delicious coffee varieties.